EJ! Malapit ka na umuwi sa Quezon City. Malapit mo na makasama si Daddy, EJ. EJ, I love you. I love you, nak. Andito na si Daddy. EJ! Malapit ka na umuwi sa Quezon City. Wait ka lang, EJ, ah. EJ, I love you. EJ! Malapit ka na umuwi sa Quezon City. I love you, EJ. I love you, anak. Well, that's the least thing I can do for now. Shout my son's name aloud, right in the middle of the scorching sun. But a father has to do what a father has to do. This only goes to show what kind of a father I am. Lumabas yung lolo ni EJ kanina. Kung makikita nyo ron sa pintuan na may susi, at pati yung kanilang yaya na si Ate Marivic, yung kanilang labandera, pero hindi nila ako pinansin nung hinanap ko si EJ. Nireport ko na rin tong insidente na to sa pulis ng Bayambang, at wala rin naman silang nagawa. I hope this documentation will be enough to prove that I was here, and I am trying to use every possible mean that I can use so that I can get to see my son at least in just a small period of time. Sana maantig ang mga puso nyo while you are watching this. EJ! I love you, EJ! Malapit ka na umuwi sa Quezon City. EJ!